Hello, this is Casey Stubbs from Winner's Edge Trading, and I'm going to show you today how we set up our charts for the trading room. This is using FXCM's TradeStation platform using the MarketScope charts. Okay, you start by having one screen open with one chart. Okay, then the first thing we do is we add our indicators, and you go up here by clicking this button, which is Add Indicator. And we have 3 moving average. So you choose MVA, simple moving average, and then you click here for parameters. Our first one will be 20, which is a 20 period simple moving average. You click OK and it'll draw it on the chart. We do one more. Click parameters, do it 40. And then also click lines and then click these 3 dots for your color so we can have a different color. This one's going to be red. You can do whatever color you want. I prefer red. Okay, add indicator, moving average, parameters, 200. Click lines. I like this blue line for my 200 moving average. Okay, now we have the indicators saved. This is the only indicators that we use, so this is it right now. Okay, now the next thing is to click File and then click Save Chart As. I already have one chosen as test chart, so I'm just going to save that again. Yes. Okay, so now we have test chart. So now what you're going to want to do is click Open File, Test Chart, Open File, Test Chart, Open File, Test Chart. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 charts open. So now you click the tab and you drag it into the screen like that. Okay. Now the next one we're going to grab onto the tab and I'm going to move it down and do that. And the next one I'm going to grab it and put it down like that. Okay, so now we have 4 charts on one screen. You're going to want to move it to the center so they're all even. Okay, so we have 4 charts. This is all the same currency pair. For this example, we have the Swiss franc yen. Okay, so now that we have all 4 charts here, we're going to change the different time frames. First time frame is 60 minutes. Next time frame is 15 minutes. Then 5 minutes. Then 1 minute. Okay, so we have 4 different time frames, and we watch these charts to find buy and sell setups. And the first chart we look at is the hourly to find the trend and to identify buy and sell setups. And then the next one we'll look at is the 15, the 5, and the 1. And we will continue to do so to find better entries. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to continue to monitor different pairs, so you don't have to just watch one pair. So you do Open File, Test Chart, and let's see if I can open them a little faster. Open File is Control O, so I'm just going to do Control O, Test Chart. Go down to the bottom, click on the bottom chart, Control O, which is open, Control O, which is open, Control O, which is open. Okay, so now I'm going to open up 3 tabs, Control, for each chart. Okay, so we have 3 tabs, 1, 2, 3, and They're all in the same time frames. So now what we're going to do is we're going to link the charts together so that we can tab through each different pair. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the first pair is going to be the Chief Yen, and I'm going to click here where it says link with that little link picture, and I'm going to do red. Click on Chief Yen, I'm going to do red. Chief Yen, I'm going to choose it red. Chief Yen, going to choose it red. Now the next one I'm going to link it. I'm going to do green. Go to the next tab, link it, choose green. Next one, link it, choose green. Now go to the next tab. I'm going to link it blue. Next tab, link it blue. Next tab, link it blue. Go to the next tab. I'm going to link that blue also. Okay, so now we have all these different pairs linked according to the colors. So the first tab is red. The first tab is red. The next tab is green. The third tab is blue. So now watch what happens when I change the currency pair. I'm going to change it to the euro dollar. All the linked reds changed to the euro dollar. So now I'm going to go to the next one with the green. So I only have to change it on one chart, and I'm going to change it to the pound dollar. They all change to the pound dollar, and the time frames will also change right along with it once you have them set. So what you have to do is once you have your charts set up the way you want them, you will only have to go from tab to tab to tab to monitor the time frames. And this is helpful if you don't have multiple monitors. Obviously, multiple monitors is the best thing that you can do, but if you don't have that, this is the next best thing. So if you're monitoring pairs and you can't get them all on your screen, you just click down here, choose it. I'm going to go New Zealand dollar, and boom, it'll change them all to the New Zealand dollar right there. Okay, so that is how we set up our